Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to register a KuCoin account. First, navigate to the official KuCoin website or download the KuCoin mobile application from your App Store. You'll then need to provide a valid email address or a phone number to begin the registration process. Make sure to create a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account's security. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your crypto journey. After entering your initial details, you'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter this code to confirm your contact information. For enhanced security, it's highly recommended to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, immediately. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. While not always mandatory for basic functions, completing identity verification, also known as KYC, can unlock higher trading limits and additional features. Once your account is secure, you're ready to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency directly from an external wallet by selecting the desired coin and generating a deposit address. Alternatively, KuCoin allows you to purchase crypto using a credit or debit card, offering a straightforward way to get started. For those preferring local currency, explore the peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading options available on the platform. Choose the method that best suits your needs. With your account registered and funded, you're all set to explore KuCoin's vast marketplace. Take some time to navigate the user-friendly interface, discover various trading pairs, and understand the different order types available, such as limit and market orders. Remember to always trade responsibly and research thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to other great deals and resources, including some incredibly durable socks with a lifetime warranty. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.